think I have to. The keyboard cam looks little slow. I need to fix that first. To fix that, I need to get up first. What's happening? Where is video preference? Oops, video preference, video resolution 320. That's enough for us. And also video resolution quality, we'll put this to somewhere around 60-70. Yeah, that's good. Now audio mode, audio is not really for us. I'll start the server again. Now the video should just be fine. Keyboard cam, I'm going to reset this to okay. Now this should be fine. Yeah, smooth. Cool. So what are we trying to do here? So recently Lottie released a new version 6.10, I guess, and most of the things like the update phase is now happening in the background thread, which should improve the performance of your main thread, basically reducing your janky frames, or if you have issues with that. There is a detailed blog post on how it works and how it was before by the author, Gabriel. So let's actually benchmark the result, like what's the actual difference with the sample file. We'll do that with the Android macro benchmark framework. So yeah, before doing that, I would like to confirm if my stream is working fine. How do I do that? I have to go to twitch.tv. Yeah, looks fine. Cool. Looks just fine. I think I should open there is something called create a dashboard, which yeah, it's better like this. Yeah, there is stream manager. Yeah, this looks better. All right. So let's first we need to set up the benchmark project. So how are we going to do that? How are we going to do that? We will go to our project directory, and we'll call create compose app, and we need an Android project. The project name will be Lottie benchmark, and invalid package name. I didn't enter the package name. com.theapache64.lottie benchmark. Alright, it's downloading the template now. We have the project. So now we'll open Studio. Project Lottie benchmark opened. Trust project. So this is more like a template, and first let's try to run this. This template has the Dagger, Kotlin, Compose navigation, everything set up. I usually do this for benchmarking and all those kind of things. But let's see. There is one issue with the benchmark, that this directory is not, the directory structure is not changed. I think we'll fix that later. For now, it's not an issue. We'll change this manually. Lottie benchmark should be fine. Now I think we have everything set up. We'll try to run the app first. We'll get the screen copy up and running. We'll put this over here. Alright, yep. Yes, the template works. It has a simple state that changes on every button click. Now let's try to run the benchmark and see if that's working. So this is just a basic template. We'll modify this. Benchmark tests are happening. It must be creating that benchmark build. Oh, it's running the benchmark build. Yeah, there you go. This will happen for this benchmark framework will launch the app for 5 times to get an average value. I think it will give you this P50, P90 numbers or min median. Not sure. I think this will give you min median. P50, P90 I think is for frame time metric. Yes, there you go. So now we have the benchmark setup done. We will need this as a Git project. These are a bunch of shortcuts that will that basically sets up the GitHub repo. This is going to be the first commit. Right, first commit, and we don't have anywhere to push for now. That's okay. Now we need to get some sample Lottie files to test. So we'll go to the GitHub directory of Lottie Android, and then we'll clone the repo. And we need to find the largest JSON file in the directory, which should be the largest Lottie file. There might be some Lottie file they're using for performance benchmarking and all those things. We'll use the same thing if it's there. Otherwise, we'll we'll download some random large Lottie files from here. Let's wait for this to download first. But meantime, we can search here, but we don't have an option to sort this by size, right? there is an advanced search. Is there a sort option? Return repositories, issue options? No. I don't think we have we can't filter this by footprint. That's okay. We'll figure out some method. Alright, I use this command, which I usually use this to find the largest JSON in the raw directory. This will use the same command in this Lottie Android directory once the sync is finished. I think I have 2 viewers. Do I have 2 viewers? Very surprising. Really surprising. Oh, this looks too heavy. Anyway, meantime we'll set up the remaining things. So we have 2 screens over here, right? We have a splash screen, then we have a dashboard screen. I think we don't need a dashboard screen. We can delete this maybe, or we can do one thing. Yes, we need this. We will wait until the dashboard screen is visible. We will replace the splash screen logo with a Lottie. Yeah, that should work. That is actually, yeah, that will give you some real-time numbers, real-world numbers, not real-time. What's the status of our git pull? Yes, it's done. So Lottie Android will cd to this directory, and this command should sort. Yeah, we accept there is one Lottie that is I think it's a 2 MB file. It's called we accept inline email. Let's see what is it actually. We'll copy the name. We will, I think it's easier to download. So this looks fine to me. We'll put this in the desktop. Why this is 1 byte? Is it actually 1 byte or what? No, I think it's a mistake. It's 205 KB. It's a 205, no, it's 2 MB, it's not, it's 205 KB, sorry for that. Yes. That's enough for us, 200 KB is enough for us. Let's Lottie preview online. Let's look what it actually is. Do we have a Lottie preview in Android Studio? No, right? I think we don't have. I think it's the same. Yeah. Files you open here are only accessible to you, and you can just make it animation. Okay. Is it cancel for now? Maybe. I think I need to make an account to preview this. Alright, then I think I should sign up. Okay, I think that's more like an image, and yeah, that's just an image. I think we need more layers. This one is more like the, yeah, this is not the one we need. Let's go for the 56 one. Lottie logo. CP, sorry. CP sample to desktop maybe. Yeah. I think desktop you should have something new now. Yeah, this one looks good enough for the benchmark. This one looks good enough for the benchmark. Let's get this. Yeah. First, I think we need to get the Lottie compose dependency. Should be this. I think is a snapshot directory, and this should be known. Okay, Lottie compose. We'll go say Lottie compose. That I think it's the first one. Yeah, that's a 610. We have that now. Now we can sync our project, and we'll go to our resource, and I think we need to create a new directory called pro, and this one will have yeah, this one will have the .p logo JSON. Okay, so initially I think we can use this, and if we need a heavy one we'll download. But can I download a heavy JSON? Heavy JSON, Lottie JSON download. In url.github. There is Lottie web. Do they have a large JSON file? Do you guys have a large JSON file? They do have some, but I think we'll just check parallelly. I think we can just go to VS Code and then check from there maybe. Yeah, I need to find a file. How do I find a file? Explorer, right? Or search. I can search for the JSON here like this. I think this will search for the text. How do I search for the file? I think I will just use. So there was this shortcut. Come on, help me here. Yeah, we have. But this is going after the. You see the. How do I search for file? View Explorer. Can I search for no? Oh, this looks huge. how do I search for file? Search file in VS Code. How do I do that? Command P, yes. Command P, yes. There you go. And so this I think is a Lottie file, but I need to sort this by size. Which first I think I should get this. That's fine. You can wait. Yeah, now the sync is finished. How do I use the Lottie compose? I think it should be here. I think you can just use the basic usage of with Lottie animation or Lottie that merge just Lottie animation and I think I just need to use this one. I don't need the progress for now. Yeah. Let's see how this is going to work. Okay, now R dot, I think we need to give the Lottie logo here. And let's run the app first before doing the benchmarking. So we are going to benchmark 610 and the previous version. What was the previous version? I think the previous version was what are the tags? Oh, 0 tags. How do I know the versions? How do you get the previous version? Should I go to the tags? No tags. Lottie Android, I guess. I think I have to go there. Yes. 610, then we have 601. Allow loading emails with the we will do the benchmark between yeah, hold on a second, I'll tell you the version number. We'll do 520 and yeah, so CT benchmarking Lottie 520 versus 610. That will be our current task, right? Now we have this thing set up. Graal will finish but fail to load. We will try to install one more time. Oh, it fails. Not found. Okay, for some reason the device was having issues. Hold on a second. I need to first charge the cam. Yep. Install failed due to device not found. Okay. What are the device? What kind of device we have now? Okay, we will do some kill server. We'll try to launch it again. Okay, this is the device. Why is this not launching? Huh? What just happened? What are the changes we did? We changed the splash screen, JPM, JSON, raw file. That's it, right? Nothing much. Just this file doesn't look good to you. This is fine. Why? What's going on? Let's disconnect and reconnect the device. Right. Something is wrong. Yeah, it's installing. It's launching. Launch the app. And yes, I need that progress because yeah, yes, I need the progress. So let's go back to Lottie compose and see how we can get a callback once that is finished. All right, we have the progress. Lottie composition 1. Lottie composition result. On retry, Lottie compose and animation composable. We have a ton of options to observe, but I'm looking for the minimal one. I think we can use the progress, and when the progress is more like 100, we'll move to the next one. That's fine. Just going to copy paste this. This is not a logo anymore. This will be Lottie logo, yes. And this wait. Okay, now this progress is a float, and okay, we'll first we'll disable this splash navigation for a second, and the progress, I think we are passing it from here. Is there any other simple one that gives me the state of the then the type returned from is a Lottie composition result. Okay, remember Lottie composition actually gives us a result. That's the composition, right? Now that's the composition duration, fonts, end frame. Let's do one thing. Let's just print the progress along with the composition. Okay, we will see what we have in there now. Lottie composition, I think, is a interface. This interface is being implemented in here. That's the internal class. I think there's only one implementation for this. Yeah, I think there is loading, is complete, is failure. Oh, great. I think we can use that. Let's look at is finished. I think we are interested in that. Wait a second, composition finished. I think we need to is finished. Wait a second, that's an interface, right? This is an interface. It has is complete. Okay, is complete. I think that's the flag name. No, why it's not available? That's Lottie composition. Should I? No. Why? Lottie composition result. This is Lottie composition. I think we are. Yes, it's happening because we are using this by delegate. Yeah, I think we can use the composition dot value then here and also here. That should be fine. Cool. And yeah, I think we are good to go now. Let's see. Let's open the logcat and look at the logs. Okay. This is finished is true from the very beginning, or just after the first one is only the one, then we get is finished true for the rest of the. I think we have to rely on the progress. I don't know why the other thing is not working. I mean, I don't know. Let's not worry about it. Why this is not working? We are not is complete flag here. Okay. Lets you access the composition value, access error is loading, is failure, is success properties. Where the past composition value. I think we can report this. I think we can report this from the very beginning. I think we should report this, let them know. This request not for reporting issues on individual libraries. If you're looking for them, maybe links up. Okay, I think we should go to Lottie Android maybe. Yeah. New issue. Rendering bug report. If you non-rendering or not use rendering animation correctly, but there is a different. Yeah, this one. Is complete flag is always true. We will provide the details if needed, but I think this screenshot is enough. We will provide the code also, maybe. This is a Kotlin code, and this should help you. Let me know if you need more details. Okay, that's the preview looks like. Is always true. I think it's not always true. It's initially false, but it changed to false. Yeah, so flag is true during animation. I think that's better. Cool thing. Let's move from here. We don't, since we are not using this, I think we can rely on this one, and we will have a launched effect with the snapshot flow for progress. We'll collect this. Okay, and if it equals, what was the value? It was this 10, right? Yeah, it's 10. If it equals 10, we'll say what is this? Okay, finished. Let's see. I think yes, the animation is working. What is the finished? Yes, it's finished. Cool. Now we need to do one thing. We need to add a modifier which will fill max size. Right now this one padding bottom is fine. This is fine. And once that's finished or splash finished, we'll go to the next screen. And yeah, I think it's fine. We don't need this delay. This delay is not needed. Yeah, this delay is not needed once since we have the Spanish finish, we'll call it. That should trigger the navigation, I guess. Yes. And let me share my device screen for you. That white background or the white margin, I think that's already there. CD, Lottie, Android, CP should have this, but it doesn't. It's not. What is that white logo coming in? The film max size is not working. Where is this white thing coming from? Let's put a background color to see if it's outside the app. It's inside the Lottie. The film max size is not working as expected. It's fine. We are concentrating on the animation. It's not a big issue. Now we have this. Yes. Add Lottie animation. Okay. Now we have the animation. Now we need to concentrate on the benchmark. So benchmark, I think we can rename this to Lottie benchmark, right? And we are interested in both the startup time metric and also the frame timing metric. All right, frame time metric. Now this is the setup block, and we will wait for this to come, and there should be wait a second, how do I think I need a compose rule as also. Oh, wait a second, let's see how the numbers are looking now. Oh, I don't remember the previous numbers too. Can I get the previous numbers? No, we can, but let's see what's new numbers are. Alright, we have the numbers. Okay, this is good. We have the numbers now. But let me tweet about this. I am benchmarking Lottie 520 versus 610. We will add some metrics. No, chart. I think it's a bit simple. And this one should have join the live stream now. All right, we have the numbers. So I would like to, I was tweeting. I would like to now look at the, let's increase the iterations to, what if I post this, wait. What if I post this in bench chart? Okay, I have time to initial display MS is there, min median is there, frame duration is there. I think it's fine. Let's increase the iteration to something like 20 maybe. Alright. Is 20 is too much, or let's see if 20 is too much. GitHub will search for this piece of code, and we will have to filter this out by file name or code. That is advanced search. Advanced search written in language Kotlin. Kotlin, yes. I have 41 code instances where we have 20 iterations are there, but this is not Android. Oh, we have this is in performance poetry. People use this 20. That's fine. Is there any way I can search like about 20? Can I use a regular expression in the search? No, right? With many stars, I don't think I can use a regular expression. Yeah, it's fine. The benchmarks are being run right now, but there is one issue with the benchmark. There is one issue with the benchmark. I think let's reduce this to 5 now, and We have to do this in two ways, right? This is setup block and this is measure block. What if I add this in here and launch 5 times? I think after the initial launch it only opens the it only opens it just minimizes and maximizes the app. That's not what I want. For startup benchmark, I think macro benchmark sample. For startup benchmark, I think that's fine. Macro benchmark, startup benchmark. Default iterations, I think there is somewhere. Small list startup benchmark. I think that's fine. I think there is one issue with the benchmark. I don't want it to minimize and maximize. But how do I do this? Let me print this. Finished. This finished I think should be called in here. Five times. I'm expecting it to getting called 5 times. If it doesn't, I have another idea. Okay, that's one, but I think it's just minimizing and maximizing the app. How do I kill the app? I think we will do something better maybe. Yes. First question, why it went to the dashboard screen? Okay, wait. I think I have to update the startup mode. Yes, that's the issue. Where is my benchmark? Where is the benchmark? Lottie benchmark. Startup mode. Yes, startup mode should be called. Yes, that's what I was missing. Now this is finished or finished should be printed 5 times. 5 times, I guess. 5 times. I think it's running. Alright, launch 1 done, launch 2. Oh, it's not waiting for the animation to finish. That we have to do, right? We will do that. We will do that. Before that, I should verify if that's, yeah, at least one result is necessary. Okay, how about now? How do I wait for item? I think I need to create some kind of yeah, so activity wait is there. There's a block that gives the intent.
杯を交わして互いの友好の証とする原告の同胞の儀式だ。酒は嫌いか？大好きです。
Now this is displaying the Lottie. It's waiting for the Lottie animation to finish. Yes, it's waiting for the Lottie animation to finish. I want this to wait until the navigation is finished. I'm not sure. Should I do that? Okay, now we have better numbers. We'll do this. We'll wait for. Let's see. How do I create a compose? Yeah, login benchmark. First, I think we need to measure block is there. How do I wait for the thing? We need to create something like a compose rule kind of thing. Oh, we have the device. Oh, we have the until as object method which we can use. Yeah, I think we can use that. Yeah, device dot wait until has object by what was that thing? Dashboard screen, right? Dashboard screen. I think I have a button that says click me, right? And I think I can use this by text. How do I get the espresso dot how do I get the string resource in here? I think I'll just wait for this. Wait until has object. Wait, okay, I think I need to pass a timeout also. Yeah, 5 seconds maybe. Will the sprint waiting for click me button. Okay. This log I think should be in logcat, right? Let's see. Okay, we'll go for the specific string. Oh wait, start up. It's running. I'm waiting for click me button. Oopsie. Yes, click me is here. Now the test should just move to the next one. Why is it waiting? waiting too much time. Maximum amount of time you have to wait. It's a timeout, right? The condition is met, I think. It's waiting anyway. Wait. Wait for idle. Wait. Iris, maybe Iris resource name. Resource name, I think. Hit me button. See, it waits for 5 seconds. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. It's waiting more than 5 seconds. Oh, I think I counted first. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'll go for the yeah, I think I'll go for this modifier dot test tag click me button. Okay, I think I have to do one more thing, like semantic change something at the root level. Compose test tag. I think I'm familiar with this issue. Test tag not working. I think I have to, yeah. No, I think I can use the test tag, but I need to explicitly say something at the root level, I remember. Or it's not needed anymore. It's not needed anymore. It's not needed anymore. Is it? How do I check that? Yeah, I can check this by going to my one of the private repositories. I can't show that in stream. Okay, main activity. Think that's not needed these days, or I think that's not needed. I think that's not needed, but let's try to run this. Let's try to run this test. Let's try to run this dashboard screen. What happened to my cozy net coffee bottle? Yes, this is a test tag, and in benchmark we are expecting that test tag to be visible. Yes, by this I think that should get it. Or we'll get an exception and we'll try to fix that after that. That's not a big deal. I have 2 viewers right now. Very huge number for me. If there's anyone watching, say hi in the chat please, so I'll know if it's not a glitch, if it's an actual viewer, so I can explain this code better if you're interested. Okay, the iteration is 5. We may get a crash, I hope so, because we are using this by res without explicitly saying anything about the test tag. I remember we had to do something, but I don't know if it's still needed. Let's see. This test may fail or may not fail. Please fail. It didn't fail. Wait a second. If I give you a resource that doesn't exist, would you fail? I think my cam is stuck for some reason. It is not working at all. What am I doing? So yes, I think we need to fail this test. Yes, how come? How are you running this, dude? How are you running this? Okay, my cam should be up in a couple of seconds. The cam should be available now, but I'm not sure when this is going to be available. Okay. I think it should be available now. Yes. These tests are supposed to fail because this thing. Why this timeout? We will use this to find object. So find object by address. Okay, this test is failing because, not because of the, this is some ADB issue. Okay. Okay, null point exception we are getting. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Now I think we will use this click me button tag. Okay, and this shouldn't be. First, I think let's use the click me text. Okay, by text, I think we will use this. Then we will. Yeah. Then we will use the thing. You can see this UI over here. Don't have to share the screen. Let's put some ambient light, maybe. Oh, this is UV. Yes. I think that's too much, right? That's too much. Yes, what's the issue now? Null pointer exception. Good, great. Device has object by text click me. Did wait for some time, but it didn't find this button. Right? How come? I think I have to use that compose test rule. I think then only we'll be able to get the tree and all. I think we have to do that. Still feel like the same. There was this flag, I'm not sure. Jetpack compose test tag not working with UI device. Tags as resource ID, yes. There you go. What is this? Experimental. And object device we already have. Yeah, I think we will be able to interact. But wait, we are using a stack with me, but let's replace that. Okay. It did crash, which shouldn't have happened. Why? Find object by press. That's because it crashed. Shit. That shouldn't happen. We do have a click me button. Wait a second. We'll get some utility method I generally use, but that's depending on the, let's see. This is device ext. We will wait for device.wait for element test tag is this one. On found we will print found, and then on timeout we will error not found. Okay, let's see how this goes. So this will time out. Oh no, oh, it didn't time out. But it didn't print the found also, right? It did. Okay, it's printing the found. Waiting for click me button. Okay. Okay, it works, I guess. Let me print the what's the default time? Wait, timeout at 20 seconds. Timeout should be 2 seconds max. Okay, we have the automated object here. That's a good thing. It's a very, very good thing. And the wait time is also good, I guess. We are waiting for, let's say, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that wait time doesn't have anything to do with the, yeah, it's more like a benchmark wait time, I guess. That's fine. That's totally fine. We have the, yeah, it's a benchmark wait. We can deal with that. Cool. Now we can stop this. We can improve. We can improve this click me button tag. I think it's fine. I think that's fine. We can use yeah, we can use click me button tag click me, right? And this tag click me should be tag click me button, right? Should be here. Okay, now why the benchmark module doesn't have access to the app module? Wait a second. Tag click me is a const val, which is why? Interesting. Target project path is app, right? So things should be automatically available. No? Not necessarily. Seriously. Really? No way. How come? These are two different modules, I agree. But let me check my private project for the reference. I don't have anything. How come? Huh? I think we should hard code this value. This is very strange. Yeah, that's very, very strange to have. That's fine for now. Our numbers are not relying on that. Now let's increase this iteration to something like 20 and let's do the startup. Or let's run the benchmark. Okay. Now we will prepare our bench chart for this. Oh my god. Okay. Couldn't find element with test tag click me button. I think which iteration is this? That we don't have information. We may need to increase this to 5 seconds maybe. Okay. click me button is now not working. Why is that? Dashboard screen. Test tag is click me button. And main activity we have test resource ID. Couldn't find element with test tag. 10 seconds maybe. Why it's not working suddenly? That's the first iteration is running, and I think it found that this works, but timeout I think we have to increase. An iteration takes around 15 seconds to finish. 39 minus 23, 15 16 seconds. 15 into 20, that's 15 into 20, that's 300 seconds. 300 by 60, that's 5 minutes to finish these 20 iterations. That's fine, I guess. Iteration, I know it's too much, but I think we'll have some concrete data. We'll do this 3 times. That will take 15 minutes. But yeah. So let's do it this way. We will do it first. Let's do it this way. Only one time, 20 iteration one time. Will with both 6.0 and 5.20. Then we will, if we don't see any, if we see like randomness, we will try like three times 20 iterations. That means 60 iterations in total. Waiting for benchmark to finish.
Gradle build finished in 6M13s 36 milliseconds.
I think we have the first round of results. Yes. 20 iterations we have. I think we'll do a full display also. Oh, I think we don't have to do that right now. Full display is fine. Yeah. Should we do a full display also? Report fully drawn. How do we report fully drawn? I think there was a new API fully drawn. Jetpack compose. Report fully drawn Android compose. Wait a second, there was this API. Okay, activity compose has something called there is a dev status. Improves data with activity. I think this is pretty old, 2021. I think there was this new API drawn. Yeah, calls report drawn. Yeah, I think I just need to call this and that's fine. Report drawn after when report drawn. I think I can simply call this and that should work. Report drawn. This drawn when true, predicate is true. This calls report drawn composition local. I think that's fine. What the heck is this? I do not want to know. Wait, let's copy this result and try to run this with 3 iterations maybe.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project. That's the second iteration running. Second iteration is about to be finished. Now the last iteration. Okay, the last iteration is also finished. Now we should have our result.
Yes.
Gradle build
Full
finished in
display
1M36s 787 milliseconds.
And this is fine. Let's run this for 20 iterations. Full display, I think it will be fine. There we go.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
So now the time is
Gradle build failed in 8s 617 milliseconds.
not expected. We'll uninstall the app and try to run benchmark
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
again. Now it's 7:55. It will take 5 minutes. So we will be back at 8 a.m. Right. All right. What's the current iterations? 19. I think that should be the last one. We should have the result now. Yes, we had the previous result. Wait.
Gradle build finished in 6M17S 786
So this is
milliseconds.
This is 610. This is first run. First run, I think. First run, I think that was the value, right? Time to initial display. Yes. This is the second run with 610. This one. The problem is this has this time to full display. Comparison, for some reason it doesn't work. We can do one thing. We can remove this initial display ms. Why auto group is not working? Second run. We'll call this it's happening because this one doesn't have a name, right? And I see some randomness over here. Time to initial display, I think. Initial display, mean median is good. This one, P50, P90 numbers are, this one is 16.7 and this one is 29.7. We do have some variations here. Frame overrun also. P95 numbers are looking good. P50, P90 number is bit. P90 number is bit worse. Yes. Ideally, we shouldn't see this much of difference. 96 ms, 14 ms overrun, 72 percentage. Let's see. Let's do one more thing. Let's do a run with let's keep it this way. Let's save this result somewhere. We will need this later, but not now. Okay, now we have the 20 iterations result. We will have a 520 check as well. This one is 610, right? We'll roll back to 520, sync the project. We'll delete the app. I think we uninstalled the app, yes, fine. Now we'll run the benchmark.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
It's good, it's good.
think our keyboard cam has some issues. Now it's 8:65. We'll be back at 8:11. Given that our benchmark takes 5 seconds to run for each iterations. We need to have it more like a to-do. Yeah. So first we will do one thing. If benchmark variance is too high, remove dashboard and only use activity. We can try do that. Now it's a wait game.
We have
Bridal build finished in 6M29s 633 milliseconds.
I think we can put the 520 first. Wait a second. We have time to these are full display numbers. Eight, 6, 7. Okay, I think that's our 610 number. No, that's the 520 number. This is the 520 number. Where? I think this one is the this one is the $610 number. Yes. The benchmark numbers are display numbers actually got increased here. Overall, I think we have some improvements. But this data doesn't look good. Should I reduce this iteration count maybe? Let's this first try. Now second try we will make some changes in the benchmark. We will remove this wait for you element and we will also
this Reportron. We'll remove the Reportron, maybe? No, not needed. What happens if I'm not navigating from here? And maybe try with the 5 iterations.
Executing
Let's compare
tasks.
the data
Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
Oh, it's not waiting for the animation to finish. It's not waiting for the animation to finish.
Gradle build finished in 1M12s 700 milliseconds.
That's not good. It needs to wait for the animation to finish. So we'll do one thing. We need the previous code. We will need the what was the second to do if benchmark to remove dashboard and only use activity wait? That's not working as expected. Or wait a second, we will remove this code from here, but we will keep this like this. Would that wait for the
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
do I really have two viewers, or it's just a Twitch bug or something? Do I really have? That's very unlikely. This benchmark is also not waiting for the Lottie to finish, which is quite wrong. We have to wait for, can I say wait for idle at least? Would that work?
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project. Gradle build finished in 1M9s 57 milliseconds.
Okay, that is also not waiting for the Lottie to finish.
Gradle build cancelled in 49s 80 milliseconds.
I think we definitely need this piece of code.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
We'll try 5 iterations 3 times before and after. Let's see the numbers. We can minimize this test scope by removing the navigation framework maybe. I think that puts that might be putting some kind of that we can do. We can do that. Let's do that. Let's remove the navigation.
Gradle build cancelled in 1M55s 769 milliseconds.
Okay, now we won't have any navigation stuff over here. Alright, so this will be one state. Let's say rem is splash finished. Initially this will be false, and we have to import this. Yes, and if is splash finished, we will show the dashboard screen. Otherwise we will simply show the splash finished is equal to true. Simple state management, simple navigation. You can remove this. We can remove view model creation and all those things from now. We won't have these greetings, and we won't have this click listener. Actually we need that click listener, but that will be empty. I think I will rather we will need a new tag for this modifier test tag. I think this should be click me button. No, this is not a click me button. This should be this should be label hello world. Label hello world. Okay, that's the test tag. This will be a box, and alignment will be center alignment. Simple, right? And this font size, I think we can increase this one to like 50 sp. Yeah, that's fine. We will use the same ID in the test tag window here. That's I think. We will also remove this navigation compose, hilt navigation, hilt material. Let's reduce the test scope. Let's simply reduce the hilt version. Hilt, where is hilt? Yeah, this is hilt. What is this? 802. Yeah, let's bump to 802 if that. It's fine. Now we have to do one more thing. We won't have. Yeah, we will sync, but let's remove these things from here for now. Android entry point, these extensions will start throwing exceptions. App navigation surface, I think this is fine. Let's reduce the scope as much as possible. So yes, there is this Gradle plugin which we need to disable.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
Oopsie doopsie, what are those errors? Yes, this is expected. Where else? It's
Gradle build failed in 47s 524 milliseconds.
Optimize import here and clean up code. Run. That should fix all those issues.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project. Gradle build failed in 2s 360 milliseconds.
We don't need a view model. We don't need a splash view model. We don't need it. We don't need that. We don't need this. We will simply put the version number as 0.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project. Gradle build failed in 2s 299 milliseconds. Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
We'll save this. Init benchmark. Init Lottie. This is the initial Lottie benchmark. This data doesn't look good. I mean, no significant improvements as such. Frame duration, over and also P9 numbers. 520 overrun is improved. 5.4, 19.5. P95 got decreased. Okay, we have the first run finished.
Gradle build finished in 2M17s 655 milliseconds.
We will go here. Say first run 520. Right. We'll go after the second run also.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
Second to do will be remove wait for and replace it with, yeah, that's another thing. I can remove this from here. That was the second last. Okay, this is the last iteration. I'll see the numbers now. We'll have the numbers in 3, 2, 1. Yes.
Gradle build finished in 1M59s 821 milliseconds.
Second run. Okay. I think Masalvari looks. Initial display, I think, looks different. I think that's more like the startup time. It's the same, yeah. Frame duration and over and ms looks almost similar. That's a good thing. That's a really good thing. We will do one more run.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
We will do the auto grouping on. Wow, how the auto grouping was working. I think the first word will be auto grouped together. Yeah, I think the first word will be used as the key. So I think we should 520, yeah, we should name it this way, 520 first run. This one should be 520 second run, so that when the auto group is on, we can see the difference. Yeah, it's cool. This is the third run. Okay, final run.
Okay. That's the final
Gradle
one.
build finished in 2M2S 322 milliseconds.
Let's say this will be the third run. I think full display, initial display looks different because probably some things are changing and that's changing the numbers. But frame duration, CPMS, and frame runners and MS are the one we are interested in. The graph looks pretty good. I would say, like, the alignment looks good. But I need to do one more thing. Okay, we can only get these numbers only when there are two. Okay, fine. This is fine. We will switch to this. Wait. Do not do that. Yeah, go to 610 now. Okay.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
It's running. All right. How many runs are remaining? 2 more runs. One more.
Gradle build finished in 2M9S 553 milliseconds.
Okay. We have these 620 numbers now. So this will be 610 first run. 610 first run. Right. Auto group this. And the initial numbers looks improved, but frame duration got increased. Why is it like this? We'll have
Executing
2 more runs.
tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project. Gradle build finished in 1M57s 595 milliseconds. Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project. Gradle build finished in 1M56s 994 milliseconds.
Oh, I was on mute. Blah. I think that result doesn't look good.
We will reduce this testing scope to little less because the previous result doesn't look good. How do we do that? We will use this device class directly, and we will use the selector, by res selector, test tag here. Wait, should be a constant, I guess. This should be 5,000 ms, and device dot for device dot find object by this test tag assert not null. Do we have that function? Yes. We will run this 5 times initially.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
Okay.
Gradle
Session
build failed in
error.
51s 13 milliseconds.
Find object. Wait until has object. Find object by resource. This, how does it work? It works the same way, right? Find object as this find by require. Yeah.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
It's also waiting, right? Simply waiting for the.
Gradle build failed in 10s 628 milliseconds. Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
Then it works.
didn't work here.
Gradle build failed in 1M48s 710 milliseconds.
Oopsie doopsie. For some reason, should we increase the timer to 10 seconds maybe? Think we should. Yeah, we should. The Lottie animation is, I think it's a 7 second or something. I think we should increase this to 10. Yeah.
Executing tasks. Benchmark. Connected benchmark Android test in project.
Executing task.
Gradle build failed in 8s2 milliseconds.
That's another ADB issue. Uninstall the app and let's install it again.
Executing
Should be-
tasks. Benchmark.
should
Connected
fix that issue.
benchmark Android test in project.
Maybe I think I should turn off this notification sound. Notification, Gradle, balloon, read aloud. Now this is, I think, iteration 5. I think we can increase iteration to something like 15, and then yeah, that's fine. That should be fine. 15 should be fine. If result is still diff, try a different device. What's the benchmark version? What is the benchmark module? The benchmark version, I think it's the latest one. It's fine. I think it looks fine. We will have to wait for some time now. 15 iterations, 3 minutes maybe. Timing SF San Francisco. It's 8:28. Okay, we have the result. So this is what? This is wait a second. This is 610. So we will save this also. 3 runs, 5 iterations. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we will remove everything. So this is 610 first run. Okay, we will run this again. We'll do this 3 times. Oh wait, talking about composed version, I think do we have the latest RC? Today is Thursday, right? Should be not this one. I think yes, we have 150 RC. Okay. Any news about this? Yeah. Jetpack release latest stable browser Jan 26. This is Jan. This is yeah. This one is 610. Fine. we will, meantime, we will look at the previous result maybe. Yeah. Duration summary looks regressed. P99 numbers looks improved at only 3.4 ms, but rest looks regressed. I don't know. This is not good. Okay, we have the second batch of numbers. Unsaved bookmark load. Oopsie doopsie, we didn't save it. So we have this in here anyway. Yeah. So this one is the second run of 610. We will have one more run. Okay. This data looks aligned. Now we'll have one more run of 610, then we will do 3 runs of 510. And that's the end of it. Alright, we have the third result. This is the third run. This is the third run. Okay, looks okayish. What's the difference? 19.6. I have 2 ms, 3 ms difference. That's fine. We'll go back to 520. We'll sync. We'll uninstall the existing app from the device. It's uninstalled. We will run the benchmark, same benchmark again with this new version. Oopsie doopsie. Oopsie doopsie. How do I get the iteration number? There is no way I can get the iteration number. No, we can't. I think we can rely on the numbers. I think it will take more than 3 minutes, less than 4 minutes. Should be fine. Meantime, we can look at the 610 runs. So 37.5. We can disable this auto group and maybe we can compare 2 runs. And since these two are same type, I think it won't compare. We can compare this by simply removing it, maybe. Yeah, our difference are slightly comparatively low, like 2 ms, 0.2 ms, 2 ms max. Yeah, but yeah, let's wait for the 520. So 520 result, yes. You see the dolphin. Yeah. Okay, we have the 520 first run. We'll do the second run. Meantime, we will paste this result into bench chart. So this is, dear bro, this is 520. See, 520 performs better. You see this 520 is performing better. This is over an MS and P50. 520 is 5-6 MS, like 400 millisecond, 400% better. How is this happening? Doesn't look good. Well, let's wait for the other 2 runs. Maybe it's the average. P99 numbers looks better in here. The P50 number is really off. I think we will have the result in. I think that should be the. This is. There should be a way to get the current iteration count or something. Maybe we can simply print it, but if the ID can provide it, it would be better. Yes, we have the second run. Let's look at the numbers. 520, this is second run. We will have the final run here. You see, this 520 is performing better in P50, like it's really good. But P99 numbers, she'll need to share this result. I think we will push this repo. Lottie benchmark, create repo. Lottie benchmark. Yeah. Git push origin master. Yes. Git open. We'll need to change the default branch. Okay. Maybe remove the default the main branch. Yep. And add the readme. Okay. Yeah. Can remove this junk. Lottie benchmark. Result. Three runs of 15 iteration, both before, both 520 and 610. I have the data here. We'll have a copy paste the above data to the what's the bench chart link to get below charts. This one. Then we'll have the final results in maybe 30 seconds. All right. This is the final run, or let's say the third run, and it's clear that 520 performed better. The P50, P90 numbers are higher with 520 at some point, but yeah, duration MS, I think 520 is better. We'll post this data over here. We'll also post this chart. Let's push this version. which version of Compose it's using. Which version? Wait a second. Yeah, Lottie Compose here. Yes. Which version of Compose? Lips Compose UI. I think that should be in the. What was that file name? It should be in the Gradle directory. Libs version, yes. And the version you guys are using. Where is the version? Where is the version number? Where is the version number? Oh, we go for the old QML file and should be able to find it. Where is this coming from? Version catalog. Oh my god, how do I find the version? How do I find the version? Cal properties? No, right? This shouldn't be it. Version store properties, probably. Yes, there you go. Compose. It's using the multi-platform. I don't know. 143. It's using 143. Why there's a hashed version? That's fine. Yeah. I think we should do this the other way. First we should post the 520 numbers, then I think we should post the yes, then we should have this. Make sure you have this yes. Okay, now do this. I'll edit it here. Yes. 3 runs of 15 iterations, both 20 and 610. Copy and paste the about data to get the below charts. It's fine. Date reading. Activity, on the other hand, then we can remove these directories. Maybe it will help others or to read this better way. No data, no DI, no util, flow, no app, screen, dashboard, inactivity, stream, smash. That's fine. I think we don't also need this theme. I think that's fine. Remove chunk files. pulled first. Right. Yeah. Okay, I think we'll share this code with the I will open this open a new issue in here in Lottie Android maybe. Rendering bug 610 looks request. So first run. We'll pause this, we'll create a new issue, we'll create a new detailed issue, and that should help them to debug this. I mean, maybe there is something wrong with the benchmark, I'm not sure, but let them come back on this. So it's worked. I'm going to close the stream. 3, 2, 1.